Hey guys, so this is us and our reaction to a little thing I like to call "Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared." Okay, and I'm here with my fellow friends, Maddie. Okay, so we're just gonna watch it on her zebra.
Nice ring.
Her zebra. No, don't start yet. Okay, but yeah, so put this right here. Oh. She's sexually molesting me. Okay. Hopefully she's not.
Yeah. I don't think she is. I like you guys, people.
Okay. So here it is. As you can tell, I haven't. I literally just got home like 5 minutes ago.
I don't know if mine either.
Hey. Don't hug me, baby. No. I've only seen the first part of it, so. Nice.
Nice going on.
I stopped once the Notebook started talking.
Hey, we already watched this.
What's your favourite idea? Mine is being creative.
How did you get that idea?
I just tried to think creatively. Now, when you look at this orange, tell me please,
He's British.
what do you see?
I wonder if she needs
Orange
it.
on orange.
Nobody.
But not too deep. I see a silly face. Walking along and smiling at me. I don't see what you mean. Because you're not thinking creatively. So take a look at my hair. I use my hair to express myself. I use my hair to express myself. Now, when you stare at the clouds in the sky, don't you find it exciting?
No.
Come on, take another look.
I can see that. 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 I can see that.
Think you're getting the hang of it now? Using your mind to have a good time.
I might paint a picture of a clown.
Whoa there, friend, you might need to slow down.
What's going on? I'm sorry. Sad.
Here's another good tip of how to be a creative wizard. Go and collect some leaves and sticks and a
We're not putting in my backyard.
Green is not a creative colour. There's one more thing that you need to know. Before you let your creativity flow, listen to your heart, listen to the rain, listen to the voices in your brain. Come on, guys, let's get creative.
What's that? It's not creative, it's glitter. Glitter? Whoa. Heart. Oh. Yes. What is that?
Now let's all agree to never be creative again.
Yeah, let's not be creative. Let's not be creative. Hey guys. I'm gonna start doing these reaction videos. Just say which video you guys want me to watch, and we'll watch it if she's here. Me and whoever, or just me. Just me. Forever love. Okay, but yeah, this is our favorite song.
To your hair, take a stick with a grizzly
You
bear.
can't really see that.
Listen.
Okay, bye guys. Maddie, say hi. Say bye and go.
Wait.